This is ordinary Daisy.
Where are we, Robbie?
Daisy Museum.
We're in Rogers, Arkansas at the what museum?
Daisy Museum.
What does Daisy make?
BB guns. And some pellet guns.
Is the world's largest BB gun over there?
And it's the Red Ryder I have in the car. I'll show you it. Come on. Inside the Daisy Museum.
Daisy Airgun Museum. Since 1886. It's quite a cool little place here. They sell guns and there's all kinds of displays. So let's have a look.
I wish they sold ones like that.
I thought you said there were some.
Yeah.
Okay.
A whole bunch of them.
It started
Yeah, there is.
as the Plymouth Iron Windmill Company. Ooh, 1940. Daisy produces the first of the legendary Red Ryder BB guns. Today, the Daisy Red Ryder is the world's most popular BB gun. Sales 1,408,495. That's a lot of Red Ryders. In 1958, the Plymouth, Michigan plant closed and they moved to Rogers, Arkansas. First air rifle produced in Rogers, 1958. Check it out. 1983, Daisy makes 3 Red Ryder BB guns with a compass and this thing which tells time for the classic Christmas movie, A Christmas Story.
Does that actually say the thing which tells
right there?
time?
This thing that tells time. This thing that tells
It's a
time.
sundial.
It is. Which one of these is your favorite? You like that little, what's it called, a Roadrunner?
No, like,
Coyote?
so it has coyote in its name.
It's a little, it says a pistol model 200. It's like you have a little
CO.
CO2 pistol.
Yeah.
1963. You do have one like that. The
Yeah, but it's a cap gun.
cap gun. Red Ryder movies. Look, you can get the tribute gun, which you pretty much already have this one.
I have the tribute gun, and I do have this one in the car.
This is the one you already have also,
Yes,
the
I
power
have.
line.
Yeah, and I already have that one, and I already have that one. This one is basically, yeah, this one, I already have that one because it's this one basically.
Yeah.
But that one I do not have. I have 3 of them, but not that one. Look. I like the ones that look like this. I want to buy
Hmm.
Can you go look at them? I'm sure.
Oh, look. There he is dressed as Red Ryder. Cass Hugh, then president of Daisy, produced this bronze sculpture. Antique air guns. Wow.
That
Look
one's
at that.
that one's one's cool. I like that one. That's the
Lewis and Clark air rifle. Oh,
wait, that's the Lewis and Clark air rifle. Like what that means? I don't know what it means.
yeah, that one's really cool. Those are pretty. Look at this huge thing on there. Now what are those up there? Cane gun. Wouldn't that be neat to have a cane gun? There we go. Pope dart pistol. Dart gun, fired darts. Oh, look at that, Robbie.
A tranquilizer.
You make little darts like that out of push pins.
Yeah, you just take a shoelace, push them through. And then
Here it is, Robbie.
the first one ever made.
Well, it's a replica of the first model Daisy after 120 years. Look at that. Wouldn't that be something to have?
I wish they sold ones like that.
Yeah, why don't they?
I don't think we looked at all the things.
These are the early years. Early guns. Look at these. 1902, 1901, 1900, go backwards, 1900, 1900, 1900. Daisy single shot, repeater, single shot. Oh wow, that's neat. I like these here. These first ones, those are really cool. Look at that. Those are really old.
These are more like the old flips on
These are the shotgun ones I was talking about.
Handmade
Like,
model.
You pull this, you pull it back, and that goes.
These are,
down.
it says these are experimental models, 1914, 1913, 1912.
They have some over here.
Okay. The Demolin trick guns.
Really?
I found a cute little tiny BB gun.
Wow, these are really cool. Daisy BB guns of the 1900s, 1910s, 1920s, leaf fever era. Robbie, which would you like the best?
If I can choose.
Yeah. Oh wait, here's the first Red Ryder. That's why it's in there.
The first one ever
Red
made.
Ryder, yeah, and it's signed by. When I was reading it, said it was signed. Hmm. (1920s) Buck Rogers, the Disintegrator. Piece of floorboard from the Daisy Air Rifle Factory in Michigan. This is the original plant. Daisy Manufacturing Company in 1915. Daisy Air Rifles. This is from the floorboard of the first manufacturing company in Michigan. Look, it's full of BBs.
Why does it have so many BBs?
No.
There's another one.
Firing them, they fell on the floor and got smashed into it.
They fire ones to test them. Nowadays, they don't even test them. They just give them to you.
Mm-hmm.
And you
Oh,
can
look,
just bring it back.
They even have, look at them, they came in a big box like that. These two crates showed how a shipment of Daisy Model B3s and Daisy Model B number 30s would have been packed and shipped. Those big boxes. The 1930s, oh boy. Target Buster. Red Ryder.
These are all. Oh, I thought they were BB guns.
These are all toys. Look at these. Rocket pistol. Zuka pop pistol.
Wait, is this a cat pistol? Cat gun?
This is a Daisy Model 410 double barrel noisemaker toy gun. A Daisy 410.
I wish that was a real BB gun, and I wish they could sell.
Paper popper prototype. This is a Daisy Model 35 Buck Rogers rocket pistol. These are on display as donations. Jack Armstrong flying top. 1920 little Daisy. Look at all these. Pop guns, quart guns, water pistols, and toys. Here's all these Happy Daisy boy. Oh look, there's Robbie. There's Robbie. There's Robbie. There's Robbie. Here, Robbie, you're in all these pictures.
Does it say my name?
No, but that would be you. Now here it is, Robbie, A Christmas Story, 1983. Do you love the movie A Christmas Story as much as I do?
It's pretty fun. Yep. Look at these targets. That plastic.
Oh, yeah.
Why did they even have a plastic when the plastic would just break?
I don't know.
Oops.
Here it is, too, look.
That's the one
wait,
from the
this is
movie.
Buck Jones, the 1936 Buck Jones.
What do you mean?
While the story is not okay. To satisfy the producers, Daisy agreed to put a compass and sundial in the stock of 3 Red Ryder guns to be used as props in the movie. One of these guns is in a vertical display case next to display 25. Following the movie's release, Daisy did produce a Red Ryder with a compass and sundial in the stock in 1983 and all of 1984. And you got one for Christmas, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Display 25. You looked at this. What are these? Oh, arrowheads. You're a Daisy. Daisy keychain. They have that in the gift shop. Well, I didn't see it, but maybe they do.
I'm guessing that's they don't.
Probably not. They have all kinds. Pre-war and early post-war years. America and Daisy go to war. Tools for victory. Produced during World War II.
The Daisy win.
They made tools for World War II for the America in World War II. Everything had to go.
The scope looks pretty bad.
Look at these. Daisy resumes BB gun production. Oh my gosh, look at this. Sorry. World War II machine gun. Pretend like you're gonna shoot it.
I can't see the scope through the letters.
I can see. You're just not tall enough.
Oh yeah, I can see it. And I'm standing on flat feet, so.
This is the 18. Oh, this is the big sign. Oh, look at that. Mannequin dressed in Red Ryder clothing, circa 1950s. Daisy is the leader in shooting education. Whoa, look at this one.
I like that gold one.
Oh, you're getting, ooh, Daisy 50th. 2015.
What did you say I was getting?
A commemorative one, but not that one. That'd be really neat, wouldn't it? Oh, wow. Model 914.
Hey, you know all those CO2 still wasted? Can
Yeah.
we get a few of them going as well? We wasted a whole bunch
Yeah.
doing.
Yes. Hollywood Parade of Stars, 1968. Lucky Carson.
Wait, what's this one down here? Why would they put it clear down here?
Too bad they don't have any like that. That'd be cool. Quick Skill Kit. Single shot pellet.
Oh, I like this one. I like this one. I like this one.
Oh wow! Special model for Cass Hugh.
This
1960.
is making me want all of them. I want all of them in here.
Do you want all of them? I don't blame you.
I love them.
Look at this one. They plug this one in. Oh, a soldering gun. Made from the frame of a Daisy model.
What's a soldering? Oh, a soldering gun.
Mhm.
Like you.
There's a holster for your Daisy.
Like, imagine it was the holster for a
Oh, look at
soldering.
this. It's a powder horn. Do you have one of those?
Yeah, that'd be funny if it was a, what, a.
Look at that holster.
Oh, this-
Whoa.
Let me.
Wow.
Wait, it's a tiny holster. Probably for that tiny. Whatever it is.
Hall of Fame. Look at
Wait,
that.
it's a golden one.
Sniper. Oh, wow.
It's
Wow. 1960. 50 millionth air rifle.
It's a sniper.
This one here is Daisy 50 caliber sniper rifle. Airguns of the 90s and 2000s. See, you can get a real expensive one. We just don't have a real expensive one.
Can we get a real expensive one here?
Yes, but I don't think we're going to. There's one over there for almost $200.
Where?
Well, you missed it. It's over there.
That's a pretty small bullet to shoot out of this.
Oh, that's like that long. That would kill you.
Actually, this is like the size of the bullet I have at home. That's a keychain.
Oh, look at that. That's a cool sign up there.
But like that would go straight through you. But a gun compared to that tiny bullet, that's pretty small to be in that barrel. And that's
Yeah.
the barrel's pretty big. I've never even seen it. I've seen a gun close to that big.
Check it out.
On YouTube.
There's a whole display. There it is.
I love this part of the movie.
Ping. There it is. This prototype.
Shoot it.
This Red Ryder is one of a few produced. Oh, this one was produced to use them. Here it is.
That's the one used in the movie.
Yep. One of them. There was 3. Okay, pretend like you're gonna
Wait, this
hold
is.
it.
I can't pretend because like
A dream come true. You got this close to the Red Ryder used in A Christmas Story. Can't touch it. It's under glass, but it should be.
you can touch the glass.
Mom, Randy took my Red Ryder BB gun.
Randy took it. No, a snowman took it. That's what it looks like. Can we check out and get the BB guns?
Yeah, we gotta look right over here.
We can do part 2 of all my BB guns.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh.
There's packs of
Look
these.
at this one. It's fancy.
That's like one of the shotguns.
Oh my gosh, that's cool. Daisy Model 25 pump gun, serial number 1.
I have.
Commemorating the 100th anniversary of Daisy Manufacturing Company. Wow.
And I'm getting one that has that on it.
100 years of John Wayne. A collectible Winchester model air rifle. The Duke.
I want to check that.
Do you know where John Wayne the Duke was born, Robbie? In Iowa, in Winterset. Chief.
I said, hell, I didn't ever have one of these.
Chief. Annie Oakley rifle.
And I was older then, we'd go out there, Dad try to shoot them birds.
Drill rifles.
One.
We're getting this one,
That one up there.
which is the Ozark Cider and Vinegar Company Historic Downtown 2023 commemorative gun.
And I'm getting
You're
this
getting
one.
a CO2 powered Model 426. And you're getting
And
a new scope for your
for this
880.
one. Yes. I had 2 of them.
Did you just get this one today?
Yes. And I also have this one.
It's the 2023 commemorative classic model. You also have your Red Ryder here.
Uh-huh.
All right.
Video over. Video over.